Hello, everyone. This is Amanda coming to you with a quick video and update regarding List Infinity. We're going to go over how to build an email list and earn $100 to $300 per day with online marketing. I've been doing this now since 2016, and what I wanted to do was give you guys a series of videos that is a training on how to start building your email list and also making money while doing that. Okay, if you're looking for a part-time hustle, maybe you're looking to replace your income completely, you can do that with this system. This is called affiliate marketing, and basically all you're doing is putting out information, educational information that's going to allow other people to learn how to generate traffic from home, but not only that, how to start building an email list, growing a following, and just earning consistently anywhere from $25 per sign up, $50 per sign up, and $100 per sign up. So what I want to do is start off first with some proof. And I love to, just put out this information so that you guys know that this is a real system and this actually really works. And what we have here is a total of $600 that was accumulated literally in 2 days with the system. And basically, this is someone coming in at the pro level for List Infinity. Okay. So again, there are 3 levels. You have the 25, you have the 50, and you have the 100. If you come in as a pro member, you're going to get access to the other levels below it. Someone wanted to know, basically, is there a time frame when it comes to upgrading? No, there is no time frame, and you can actually start off using the system completely free. So below in the description is the information to get started with a free account. A free account is not going to allow you to start accumulating payouts, but you can actually still start growing your list. One of the things I want to point out really quick is that this is a part of a playlist, okay? And what I would like for you to do is go to my channel, and you can actually start at day 1, where I go over more information about the system. I went over how to use this with attraction marketing. We're going to finish that today. And we already have day 1 through 6. This will be day 7. If you are starting with day 7, I would love for you to go back to day 1 so you can have idea, of how the system works and basically what to expect when you start. And not only that, what you need to do to get started. So here is the system. This is when you first come in. It's going to give you basically your referral link, your sponsors information, the level that you're at. If you upgrade and it doesn't upgrade you automatically, just feel free to reach out to me. My information, again, is in the description below. I will go ahead and upgrade your account. Under here, under referrals, is where you're going to see all of the people who have opted into your capture page. And even if they sign up for a free account or they signed up for a paid account, they're going to show up under your referrals. It's going to give you the name of the person. Also, it's going to give you their email address. If you would like to reach out to them, you're able to do that because you will have their information under the referrals tab. If you have no referrals here, there's not going to be anything here. Once you start getting people to your lead capture page, then you will actually see this start to build up. I'm not going to click on it because it has people confidential email addresses, and I don't want to expose that information. Okay. Under lead capture pages are the different options that they give you for people to opt in to collect their email address, and then it is going to take them to the sales page. Now, I did get a question about this. If I do not want to use the capture pages that they have, can I use my own? And yes, you do not have to use their capture pages. If you already have an autoresponder like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse, and you want to use that system instead of Aweber, which is what they recommend, you can do so. Now, with this system, they are recommending that you use Aweber, and they show you how to set it up for your emails to come in through Aweber. And they do give you a ton of different options for capture pages. So if you do not want to basically create a capture page from scratch, maybe you don't know how to do that, or you don't have the time, excuse me, you can use one of their capture pages for the system, and then just let the traffic go directly to your Aweber, where you'll collect the emails and you'll get your signups. So some of the trainings that they have, I have talked about this in the past. I highly recommend Facebook marketing. That is one of the easiest strategies that you can learn. It's going to allow you to pull in a lot of organic traffic and build your email list consistently. Not only that, that's where you make the bigger money and where you can actually get to build a following and get people to know, like, and trust you through Facebook marketing. I was talking about the success mindset, and I told everyone that they should go through the mindset of what to do in the preparation of running an online business, which is very important. And if you decide that you want to do paid traffic, they give you a Rolodex of different solo ad providers. And not only that, how to use them and what to do when you decide to run paid traffic. Okay. So in the last training that we went through, we talked about attraction marketing using social media for free. And I've been getting a ton of comments and likes on the post that I put up, and people just wanting more information about what it is that I do. This is one of the posts that went up just one day ago, and I had this made by the Fiverr guy that I recommended. And all it says is it's only after you've stepped out of your comfort zone that you begin to change, grow, and transform. And this is just what you call an inspirational post. It had 172 likes, 96 comments, and 1 share. Now, what this is doing is basically pulling people to my page to get to know more about me and ultimately ask me for my link. The one before that, I put up a curiosity post, which these you can make for free on like Canva or PicMonkey, or you can go to Fiverr and have them create it for you. Or you can just type this out directly on Facebook platform where you don't have to get a banner made. But it just says, how about a free training that explains how to earn unlimited $100 payments? And this is what I love is that I had 140 people like this, 112 comments, and a lot of them are people asking for the information about this opportunity that I'm currently promoting. And it's posts like these and also like these that drive traffic to you completely 100% free. You don't have to worry about paying for solo ads, and you don't worry have to keeping up with solo ad traffic and putting a budget aside if you learn the attraction marketing formula. So with that said, in the playlist that I've created, I showed you guys how to create these posts and basically how many you need and how often you should be putting them up. The next thing that I want to go into that's very important is also your Facebook cover photo, because this is the first thing that people see when they come to your page. Is what stands out the most. You want to make sure that you have a really good cover photo, and you can actually get this through Fiverr if you wanted to. Now, if you want me to help create it for you and come up with what to say and how it should be positioned, the colors to use, I can help you with that. But if you want to, you can also go directly to Fiverr and just type in Facebook cover, okay, design. And then it's going to bring up a ton of different sellers that can create a design for you. And not only that, they can give you revisions based off of what you're looking for and how much work you would like to have done. So as an example, like this company charges $75. This is considered a professional cover photo that you can have created for your page. And what you can do is you can go through some of the different designs and creations that they have put together and decide whether or not you want to go with that seller. If it is outside of your price point, there are always other designers that you can go with. They have some that's at $10. Okay, maybe you don't want to go that low. You can go right in the middle. Here we have $10. And I always go with level 2 sellers if possible, because they're going to give you basically the best work. Or you can go with a top rated seller and then still have this done for $12. Now, again, if you are doing this yourself and you're going straight to the seller, you have to be kind of tell them what you want, what you're looking for, the colors that you want, what you want it to say. And then from that information, they'll basically put together what they think is best based off of the information that you give them. Okay. And again, as you can see, these are professional cover photos. And this is the one thing that a lot of people miss when promoting their business on Facebook, is that they want people to take them serious. They want to give people more information about their business, but they are not positioning themselves correctly in order to get the traffic that they're looking for. And it's really, again, important that you have a professional cover photo. So that would be the next step. Once you figure out your post, what you wanted to say, how often you're going to put them out, you want to again get a cover photo and have them create something that fits you. And you can change these. These do not have to stay the same. There's a lot of times where I have different cover photos, and it just depends on the picture and what I wanted to say. I'll switch it up every now and again. So if you click on my arrow, you can see other ones that I had. This is the one that I had before that. This is more of a lifestyle cover photo. If we go into another one, this one here is just giving people information about me. It just has a design. And this is one that I have done in the past. If we keep going here, I have another one that I had created. And as you can see, they all have different designs and different pictures, depending on, where I was at in my life at that point and what I want people to know about me based off of the cover photo itself. So here's another one. This is when I was a bit younger. And then if we go here, here's another one. This is me when I was in Jamaica. And this is another one when I went to Jamaica again. And as you can see, it has a different layout. Some of them have multiple pictures. Some of them just have one. And again, it's really up to you what you're looking for, what designs you want, what backgrounds you want. If you want to put up information about your lifestyle, things that you like to do, maybe you want to put up information about your pet. Maybe you are into cycling and you love riding the bike. It's really up to you. But what I tell people all the time is to just make sure to incorporate what it is that you love to do with your information about your business. You want to kind of mesh those two together so people are not just focused on what you like to do, but they're also focused on the fact that you're an online marketer and they know that you're promoting a business and they can get involved and ask you questions if they would like to do so. So again, this is another part of the training that I wanted to go over. These are ways to start heightening the engagement on your posts, the amount of people that respond to your posts, and to start driving traffic. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I will be sharing with you guys some more tips and tricks on how to get traffic, what to expect when you join this opportunity, and how it can be life-changing, because building a list that you can use for years and years and years to come is like no other business. And it is very humbling to be able to share this with you guys, because this is truly life-changing. So thank you again for viewing this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.